is one of the favorite dresses.
Hold up now, take your time, let me get this right. You're tripping on what's in front of you, cause you're looking behind you. You got memories, but take it from me. God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl aishanarikxa. For this one here, karibuni sana for this to be here. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today is on Sunday and I'm already ready to go to church. Today I didn't put on any makeup because I am late. Like if I did put makeup, I'll be like totally late, but at least now I want to be at the church on dot. No time when you wanasema uko church by this time. Yeah, by that time nikwe hapo. So on that note, let me just show you what I'm wearing, then we go. I'm wearing these pants, bodysuit, my ankle boots. You remember the boots that I bought? This is the first time actually wearing them. And this bag. I'm thinking of carrying a coat. Right now I'm feeling extra hot because I've been doing things very quickly. Should I carry one? Don't see regret. Let me just carry just in case, because I also have to pass by the supermarket and get something. Yeah, so let's go.
I know who I am. I love who I am. I like what I do, and I like how I do it, and I like my mistakes, and I like the way I learn, and I like the pace with
No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you, they would say and break your heart. Sometimes I love you for what you did, not who you are. I wonder if you leave for me. God, just tell me what you mean for me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
loves, how are you doing? So today is the next day. Yesterday after church I did not vlog because I came back home, was tired. I just needed to rest because where the weekend has been long, but good, I thank God. So today is the next day. It's in the morning. From preparing breakfast, just want to have breakfast, then after that I can now continue and doing some work. Can you bear with the noise, okay? So yeah, so that's what I'm doing for today. I think I'll see you guys later after I'm done doing what I want to do. Hey guys, how are you? Today is the next day, so I'm heading at Liz's place for some few days, but I don't know if I'll be able to vlog. I'm even running late because it's quite far. I don't think I'll be showing you my fit of the day because the mirror, I've removed it here and I'm not carrying that mirror again, but I'm thinking of changing this top because this top, it's not even a top, it's something else. It needs like a book tape because you can see my bra here is showing. Oh my god, remove this bra. Either way, anyway, yeah, that's what I can tell you. But in case I vlog, I'll show you when I'm there, just in case I vlog. But right now I have to go and pass by the supermarket, get some 1 2 3, then I go. Oh, and I'm wearing my beautiful watch. Let me try and place you. Yeah, so I am wearing sweatpants with this and my pretty earrings matching. Bye.
Hey guys, so nilifika poa. Actually in the morning I got home safe. I got around ilikuwa saa ngapi? 10 at 10 we saa kumi, around saa kumi. And then we're just catching up. So today is the next day just from waking up. Yeah. And the light here is lighting. Ona tu. Ona tu vile uso wangu inaamka ikikaa mama. Oh God, you did your thing. I love when my face is behaving. It has actually been behaving, and I know the reason as to why. It was misbehaving because there's one thing I was not like using consistently, but nilirudi kutumia. That's why don't mind my face. I haven't even washed my face. Umepata? Let me wake up and nipime manguo fulani hapa. I'll talk to you guys later.
Guys, I am finally back home. I know I did not vlog when I was there. Nini baby. So I'm actually from sleeping. I came back home very early, like very early in the morning, and I was like, let me just sleep fast before I continue. Here, let me tell you guys, it's not shopping, okay. So when I was at Liz's place, yani she had a lot of stuff installed for me. Like she had kept a lot of things. She had bought a lot of items for me, especially clothes, because she knows my taste. Wear tops, dresses, handbag, plus shoes. I got these shoes that I really love. I've been wanting those shoes, and I did not know that I'll get them. First, let me just show you how I even carry them because they could not fit in the bag that I had carried, and somebody told me to carry something big. I was like, I'll not come back with a lot of stuff, maybe 2 things. Yeah, these are the things that I got. That carrier bag, those 2 carrier bags. This night dress, she also bought it for me, and I've put it there because it's dirty. I wore it when I was there, and I love this. It's one of my favorites. This. So plus a lot of things here. Yeah, now you know why I carried that. They could not fit in that bag that I had gone with. Hey, so yeah, plus the clothes that I had gone with to just wear, which I did not even wear because I was just chilling, relaxing in the house. It's like I was in a holiday, like just relaxing mode. Yeah, So anyway, thank you so much, babe. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you for the items. I think I'll show you 2 or 3 things that I got, but not all, because zingine are just personal. Personal. Yeah, let me put them aside, then I show you. Yeah.
Sing of
So these are the shoes that I'm talking about. These shoes, yeah, and I love them. I remember when we were checking this out along the boys road, and they were quite pricey. I didn't know that I would get. I'm loving them. And there's this small bag. It's like a statement bag. It will be one of my collection, and this one is my favorite. Just look at this one. This is my favorite. I haven't even figured out how I'm going to cut things inside. I love it. So pretty. So pretty. Just look at this. I can, how should I call it? I can do this up to down. I can clip it up to down, but this is how it looks like. I'm loving it. I love these strong pants a lot, like a lot. Guys, there are a lot. Like, I don't know if I can be able to show you like every bit of it, but I don't think I'll be able to do that. But anyway, I love what I got. Like, I love what I got. Yo, the tops, the dresses, perfect. Because there's this black dress that is my favorite. I don't know if I should show you guys that one. That is one of my favorite dresses. Yeah, let me show you, then I close up. This is one of the favorite dresses. Like, I super love it, and the fact that it has a slit here, like when I wear it, perfect. It fits my body perfectly. This is one of my favorite dresses. Yeah, one of the favorite ones. I think this vlog will be a short one. Please understand, a short one today, because when I went I did not vlog. Kindly understand. And yeah, I think I'll just end the vlog here. Kindly understand with this week's vlog. If you've come this far, please consider subscribe and hit the notification button, so just in case your girl here gets to upload a new video, you will get notified. See you on the next one.